So YouTube could demonetize your channel starting from July 15 if you're not careful. So today I'm going to show you 5 smart ways that you can use AI on your YouTube without breaking the rules or risking your income. Stick around to the end because number 5 is the powerful hack that most creators don't even know about. So tip number 1 is use AI for research and topic ideas. AI is amazing at saving you time when brainstorming. Instead of spending hours searching for trending topics, you can ask tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, please give me 10 trending video topics in your niche. It's high search volume but low competition. You can also use AI to analyze your analytics and suggest topic based on what is already performing well for your channel. And tip number 2 is use AI for script drafts, but add your personality. AI is great at writing a first draft. For example, write a YouTube script about your topic in a casual, engaging tone for a 5-minute video. Then take what it gives you and rewrite it to sound like you. Add your own stories, example. And why this is safe also is because YouTube demonetizes content that sounds generic and robotic. So don't just copy and paste, edit it and make it yours. And tip number 3 is use AI to generate thumbnails and visuals. Canva AI can help you create amazing thumbnails, B-rolls, background and graphics. For example, you can use prompts like create a YouTube thumbnail of a shocked creator holding their head with bold text. Stop this now. Then bring it to Photoshop or Canva. I use Canva. Then adjust the colors and add your branding and make it unique. This tip is going to save you from demonetization because YouTube doesn't care if your thumbnails were AI generated. They only care about the video content itself. Just make sure that your visuals are click-worthy and not misleading. And tip number 4 is use AI to improve your editing and post-production. AI editing tools like Descript or even CapCut AI can help you remove filler words and pauses automatically. I use CapCut. So generate captions and subtitles quickly, remove background noise or even improve audio. So this saves you hours and make your video more professional. So for example, you record your tutorial but you hate how you say 100 times, okay? So CapCut AI can instantly help you to remove those filler words. So tip number 5 is use AI to engage viewers and write better. This is absolutely safe because YouTube wants you to optimize your videos, and using AI to write better titles and descriptions won't get you demonetized, okay? So don't just top keywords. AI help you to make better clickable and accurate titles and descriptions. So AI is a tool, not a replacement for you. For as long as you stay creative, personal and original, your channel is safe. So please, if you find this video helpful as usual, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beautiful videos on AI and also for you not to miss the next one. I would love to see you in my next video.